Welcome to Silkytreat Channel, easy delicious cooking. On the menu today, one recipe prepared in 1.5 hours start to finish. Broiled chicken, cauliflower, mashed potatoes. Ingredients: chicken drumsticks, 1 cauliflower, mashed potatoes. See my previous video for that recipe. Salt, pepper, butter, 1 or 2 lemons, extra virgin olive oil, fresh parsley. Preparation: clean the chicken drumsticks. In a bowl, mix 1 lemon juice and some extra virgin olive oil. Paint the chicken with this mixture, add salt and pepper to the drumsticks. Broil the chicken with the oven setting on grill at 250 degrees Celsius for 1.5 hours, more or less depends on your oven and the drumstick's size. In a large pot, bring water to a boil, add salt and a splash of white vinegar. It keeps the cauliflower white. Insert the cauliflower, and cook 15 minutes or until soft to a knife end. Once cooked, remove the water, add a generous piece of fresh butter, 1/2 lemon juice and fresh chopped parsley. Once the chicken cooked and crispy, serve on a plate with the cauliflower and the mashed potatoes. Enjoy these meals. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, share, like and comment if you wish.